Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Thursday, 6th August 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mixed, with the Dow Jones gaining 0.5% to another record high, while the S&P 500 slipped 0.2% and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.8%, as strong corporate earnings were offset by continued weakness in technology and semiconductor stocks. Investors are now focused on weekly jobless claims and Friday's U.S. non-farm payrolls report, which are expected to provide fresh clues on the health of the economy and the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook. Asian markets are trading mostly lower today, as investors turned cautious after weakness in U.S. technology stocks and ahead of key U.S. economic data. Japan's Nikkei is down around 1.6%. South Korea's Kospi has fallen about 4.5%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng is also trading lower, as profit booking in semiconductor shares weighed on regional sentiment. GIFT Nifty Futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,692, thereby indicating a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading largely steady as markets closely monitor ongoing U.S.-Iran diplomatic talks and developments around the Strait of Hormuz. Gold prices are trading higher, touching a 7-week high, supported by a weaker U.S. dollar, lower Treasury yields, and continued safe haven demand ahead of the U.S. jobs report, despite easing geopolitical tensions. Biocon reported a strong first quarter, with net profit surging 349.4% year-on-year to 141.1 crore rupees, while revenue grew 10% to 4,336 crore rupees. The sharp improvement in profitability reflects strong operational performance and steady growth across its business segments. GMM Pfaudler delivered a healthy Q1 performance, with net profit more than doubling to 23.9 crore rupees, while revenue increased 16.4% year-on-year to 924.8 crore rupees. The results highlight improving demand and stronger execution across its engineering and process equipment businesses. RMC Switchgears has secured new orders worth 344.1 crore rupees, including 12 letters of acceptance from Paschim Gujarat Vaj Company worth 333.8 crore rupees. The turnkey contracts cover end-to-end execution of power infrastructure projects and significantly strengthen the company's order book and future revenue visibility. Despite negative sentiment in the global markets, given mostly muted crude oil prices as Iran and Oman work out a deal, Nifty is expected to open flat, with a positive bias today. Levels may be adjusted slightly upwards, with supports now being at 24,610, followed by 24,525, while resistances may be placed at 24,710, followed by 24,805. Trading may be expected to be sideways, with IT stocks being in focus as semiconductor stocks correct once again after yesterday's recovery. Indian markets may remain volatile as investors track the upcoming U.S. non-farm payrolls data, ongoing Q1 FY27 earnings, FII flows, rupee movement, global technology sector weakness, and crude oil price fluctuations amid geopolitical developments. Strong Q1 earnings, sustained domestic institutional buying, easing crude oil prices, healthy corporate order wins and capital expenditure announcements, resilient domestic macroeconomic data, and positive global market sentiment could strengthen investor confidence and support Indian equities. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 943 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 2,883 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on August 6, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.